total station surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and construction. These professionals are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land to ensure that construction projects are carried out efficiently and safely. In the bustling area of Connaught Place, New Delhi, total station surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and development of the region. With its prominent position as a commercial and financial hub, Connaught Place requires meticulous surveying to ensure proper planning and execution of construction projects. One company that has established its expertise in total station surveying in Connaught Place is SCON Design India Private Limited. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design India Private Limited has earned a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable surveying services. Their use of advanced total station equipment allows them to capture precise measurements and generate detailed survey reports. This enables architects, engineers, and developers to make informed decisions based on accurate data, leading to efficient project management and cost-effective construction processes. By employing total station surveyors from SCON Design India Private Limited, clients in Connaught Place can be confident that their projects will be carried out with the highest level of precision. The use of total station technology eliminates the need for manual measurements, reducing the chances of human error and ensuring accurate results. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of costly mistakes during construction. The team at SCON Design India Private Limited understands the importance of delivering reliable data within tight deadlines, allowing clients to move forward with their projects smoothly. In addition to offering total station surveying services, SCON Design India Private Limited also provides consultancy and advisory services to clients in Connaught Place. Their expertise extends beyond traditional surveying methods, as they stay updated with the latest technological advancements in the field. This enables them to offer innovative solutions to complex surveying challenges, further enhancing their value proposition to clients. In conclusion, total station surveyors play a vital role in ensuring the success of construction projects in Connaught Place. With their ability to capture accurate measurements and generate detailed survey reports, they provide valuable information for efficient project planning and execution. Commitment to accuracy, reliability, and innovation. By partnering with SCON Design India Private Limited, total station surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and construction. These professionals are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land to ensure that construction projects are carried out efficiently and safely.